Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. So continuing with the eggless recipes I've been showing you this Christmas season, today I have the perfect dessert for you to welcome the new year. We are making a no-bake, eggless, chocolate and berry tart. This is such an easy recipe that you can just make the tart quickly and then put it in the refrigerator and forget about it. So serve it whenever you're ready for your desserts. Top it with berries, fresh fruits, chopped nuts, whatever you wish to, because this is just melt in the mouth delicious. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click the tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. The first step for making the tart is to prepare the tart base. So for this, we need powdered digestive biscuits, and into that we add some melted butter, mix this up really well. So I'm using an 8-inch tart tin here for this recipe. Press this evenly into your tart tin. The tart base is ready. Leave it in the refrigerator to set while you prepare the filling. Now for the filling, we are using a rich chocolate ganache. So you can do this process in a microwave, but make sure you microwave the chocolate in bursts of 10 to 15 seconds so that you do not overheat the chocolate. Instead, I'm going to show you today the method of melting the chocolate and making this filling on a gas stove. So we're using the double boiler method here. Once your chocolate starts melting, add in the cream and mix this thoroughly till you have a really silky smooth ganache. And then at the end, turn off the heat and add in some cubes of butter. So this will give you that shine to the ganache. So the filling for the tart is ready. The tart base is set and cold. Let's add this ganache into the tart base. The tart is ready. We need to leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours so that the ganache sets. And once it's set, just top it up with your choice of fruits, berries, nuts, chocolate shavings, chocolate chips. The list is endless. So I hope you enjoy making and eating this tart.